Hey babies, summertime is officially here and everybody wants their skin to look glowy and beautiful. Now, we love being tan, right? But what does it mean when you actually get a tan? When your body triggers your melanocytes or pigment cells to make more pigment, that means you've already gotten some damage to your DNA and some proteins have been released in your skin that triggered your DNA to synthesize RNA and the proteins necessary to make melanin globules. So there's no such thing as a safe tan that comes from UV. Even though natural tans are not safe, everybody wants to look tan. So I recommend you use self-tanners. They're safe. They actually used to be used as diabetic sweeteners, believe it or not, and people noticed that there was pigment on their fingers and decided to use it as a self-tanner. Dihydroxyacetone is the name of the active ingredient. It is something that binds to the keratin or protein in your dead skin cells. It takes about a couple weeks to shed depending on how often you're exfoliating. When you apply self-tanner, it's important that you have exfoliated first and that you don't have any emollient moisturizer on that would resist the self-tanner. But it's also important that you have some emollient moisturizer on your elbows, your ankles a little bit where they're more wrinkly, and on your knuckles so that you don't get a deeper tan there. My favorite self-tanner is Body Blur by Vita Liberata. It gives you an instant tan look, but then it also gives you a longer term tan. I also love Westmore Beauty Body Coverage Perfector. I've used the Golden Radiance color and I mix it with Too Faced Royal Oil, and that gives it a nice shimmery glow. I actually like to apply this body makeup and then rinse it off in a cool shower. That doesn't remove it, but it keeps it from smudging on your clothing, and it gives you a nice tan, even look to your skin. For the face, I use KKW Contouring Palette. I love it. It gives you a nice bronzy glow, and it helps your face match your newly tanned body. I also love Laura Mercier's Shimmer Block. That gives you that nice shimmery glow for the summertime. And Becca, Malika, and Chloe make an amazing palette that I use, and I use a giant brush and put this all over to give me a little glow as well. Sometimes I layer my makeup, sometimes I put all three on, sometimes I just use one, depends on what mood I'm in. If you prefer to use self-tanner on your face, then make sure you exfoliate first. I love Zoe Skin Health has this exfoliating polish. I'm addicted to it. I have it in my shower and use it probably once a week to exfoliate my face. We all love a shimmer in the summer, but not when it's in the wrong place. In this T-zone area or the mid-face area, I use Hourglass Veil. It's a setting powder that absorbs oil and shine. And a few tips for your hair. If you're gonna get in the pool, wet your hair with fresh water first so that your cuticles fill up with fresh water and not that chlorinated water from the pool. That will protect your hair from getting that chlorine damage. It's a little known fact that the sun actually damages your hair fibers, makes them look dry and brittle. So you can apply Reflect H2O or another protectant before swimming to put a seal on your cuticle, again, to give a barrier against the chlorine that can damage it. Don't forget, if you're at the pool or at the beach, to wear your sunscreen, of course. My favorite for waterproof is Antelios 60 with Celox Shield. This comes in multiple forms. There's the cream, there's a spray, but I love it. Also, lip balm. SPF lip balm is very important. Put it on before you go out, reapply every 2 hours. And then Isden made a new product for people that are prone to precancers, Eryphotona actinica. This helps reverse sun damage at the same time as protecting with SPF 50 or higher. These are some of the great options for you to use for SPF. Check out this month's issue of Calabasas Style magazine for more summer beauty tips. Have fun, babies, but be safe.